출발! Hi, today I will bring you along with me on a short trip to Kagoshima. We took the plane from Haneda to Kagoshima Airport. The flight was around 2 hours. We managed to see Mount Fuji peeking above the clouds. The weather was super sunny, that's why I'm wearing shades, and of course I have to knit whenever I can. Finally landed in Kagoshima after 2 hours. And then we rented a car to get to our first destination, Kirishima Jingu. And of course, more knitting. I'm knitting the Monday sweater by Petiteknit. It did start to rain on the way there, which was a bummer. Before you enter the shrine premises, you have to wash your hands and mouth. Here I'm looking so chuffed with myself. On the way to our Onsen hotel, Myoken Tanaka-Gaikan.
どうやって行くの温泉？
温泉でだからバスでここは通らないですよね。一旦だからさっきの空港ぐらいのとこまで戻ってまずそっちからこれさつまいも。
Stopped by the road to take in the view. They were growing satsumaimo, aka sweet potatoes. There was nobody around for miles. That's why we could just stop in the middle of the road. I guess that's the Japan countryside for you. Then we were back on our way to the onsen, where we enjoyed more greenery on the way. We arrived at the onsen after a short drive. Room tour time. When you come into the room from the door, this is what you see, and then to the right you have a table. Sorry, it's messy. I was just knitting. And then there's the bed, there's a TV, a closet, water kettle, coffee maker, there's a fridge. And here, that's the fridge. This is where they keep the futons. But we don't need that because we got the beds. And then this room, it comes with a shower and it comes with its own onsen. anybody is interested in that, but here's the toilet. And that's the room tour. I wanted to show you guys the yukata that the hotel provided their guests. Did some knitting before dinner because if I remembered correctly, you can choose to have dinner at 6 or 6:30 p.m. So I was occupying myself with some knitting while I was waiting for dinner to start. Dinner is served, some appetizers, and of course we had sashimi. They also had this like sweet potato guratan thingy, and oh my god, look at that cheese pool. There was also some chawanmushi, some steamed veggie thingy that honestly I don't really remember. They also gave us free grilled prawns and free crabs that were boiled using the onsen water, and the shrimps and the scallop was also on the house. Then we finally, our main course came, which was shabu shabu. The hotel also has common baths. It was empty, so I managed to take a video. Then for breakfast the next day, we had a traditional Japan breakfast consisting of grilled salmon, some pickled veggies, clay pot to steam eggs and sausage, and of course, miso soup. Just a quick get ready with me, showing you my lipstick combo of the day, which was the Fenty Icon lipstick in Crowd Surfer, topped with the Rhode Peptide lip tint in Toast. I'm wearing my recently finished cardigan, which is the Honey Cardigan by Veronika Linberg. Then we were off to see more sights, more scenic drives to our next stop, Karegawa Station. Karegawa train station is one of the oldest train stations in Japan that is still active today. Felt like a scene from a Ghibli movie. It was super cute and retro. It's totally worth visiting. When you are in Kagoshima, you have to go and visit Sakurajima. So Sakurajima is an active volcano. I'm not very good at geography, but according to Google, Sakurajima was once an island. But the volcanic eruption in 1914 connected it with the Osumi Peninsula, making it a peninsula. We ditched the car and we took a bus from the airport to Kagoshima port. From Kagoshima port, you can take a ferry to Sakurajima. The ferry takes around 15 minutes. It was super sunny, but the winds were also so crazy, as evident by my hair. There was a cute cafe at the ferry terminal, so of course I had to grab a latte. Did you know that the community signs all have to be brown in Sakurajima? Apparently it is to match the Sakurajima aesthetic. We found a spot by the visitor center where you can dip your feet in the onsen. aka Ashiyu. It was super sunny and all the spots in the shade was taken. With Sakurajima being a volcano, I don't know if it is actually hotter on Sakurajima or it was just a mental thing, but it was so hot I was still sweating after removing my cardigan, even though it was already November when we went. To make matters worse, the onsen water was also very hot, but it was free, so we had to dip our toes in the water. Oh, also remember to have a towel on hand to dry your feet afterwards. We headed back to Kagoshima for lunch. We took a ferry back to Kagoshima, then a tram to Tenmongan. Tenmongan is like a shopping street. We went there because we wanted to get some ramen from Komurasaki. We got the chashu rice and their signature ramen. It was so good. I'm actually craving some right now. Also, remember to slurp your ramen. You can add an assortment of toppings to your ramen to change it up along the way. I added garlic, but sometimes I also like to add black pepper. We were worried that we might be late for our Shinkansen, so we took a taxi to Shiroyama Park observation deck. It was around 2,000 yen from Tenmongan. There was like a small hill to climb up off from the drop-off point, but it's worth it for such a scenic view. We made it to the Shinkansen station in time, thankfully. Our route back to Tokyo was to take the Shinkansen to Kumamoto and then a plane from Kumamoto back to Tokyo. Bought a frozen mikan to try on the Shinkansen because Kyushu is known for their mikans. It was a refreshing treat. I think it would be great during summer, but it was a bit lacking in flavor. We had some artisan ramen in Kumamoto Airport, then it was time to go home. Thank you for coming along with us to Kagoshima. Please like and subscribe if you liked the video. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!